BTQ has been contracting its expansion that peaked on Wednesday, the 8th of October. So today is Friday the 10th. This makes it the second straight day of contractions. The stock hasn't been around that long, so it's quite a unique stock. It mixes crypto and is it crypto and AI, one of those sort of things. But it's quite a unique stock, So and at the same time, it hasn't been around long enough. Is it that it has a low float? Or what is it? Doesn't have which one is it? Okay, quantum security companies potential in quantum security. Yeah. Okay. Does it have a low float stock? Is it a low float stock? One of those, but it's clearly contracting that expansion. Projection is saying 14.73 upper projection. No guarantee that it will happen. I think we it wouldn't have enough data. This is the 1 hour chart. Um, okay, let's see now. Let's have a look at the. Let's go back to the 4 hour chart. Yeah, upper projection is 14.73. Let's see what we have down here. Okay, the price pressure momentums they are the 10-day move, 10 period moving average is severely bearish because positions opened 40 hours ago are now negative now. If they haven't been closed, then they are in losses. They are in losses right now. But the ones opened 84 hours ago are still good. Yeah, 84 hours ago they're still good. However, the derivatives on this 10 period moving average are robustly trended, are robustly positive, indicating that there is a battle to reverse this trend. There's a lot of interest in the stock. There's a lot of interest in the stock. People are buying the dip, to see if it's going to change direction. So it seems to have a good buffer, but nobody knows if it's going to hold. Nobody knows if it's going to hold. This is its 3 hour chart, the same 14.73 upper projection. So intraday high $17.3 on Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday the 8th. So if we combine that with 14.3, then those will form potential upper projection. But there are also lower prices we have here. For instance, 5.16, 5.53, 5.6114. Let's go back again to that, to the 4 hour chart. What we can do is just use the market grid. It doesn't matter whether it has been active or it's been around for ages. It will always have a projection. So it's quite clinical. You can rely on it. And indeed, yeah, I mean, it's you can always apply it regardless of how much data there is on the stock or not. So we have a range of between 12.42 and 7.83. I think it's beginning to contract because obviously the stock itself has been contracting. So it's narrowing the market grid, the values, it's narrowing the prices. So yeah, between 12.42 and 12.42 and 7.83. So it's currently trading at 9.28. So it's in the resistance support zones. Yeah, there's a good chance it may test 8.98. So what we've noticed is that when they are when the stocks are right into their support zones, there's a tendency to max out those values. There's a tendency to max them out. So, well, never rule out you know printing lows of around $8. It hasn't done that so far, but yeah, it actually did 8.21 at some point, but it recovered from there. So there's a good chance because he has done it. There's a good chance he may do so. 8.21. We have this is where it is almost at the bottom of the grid on this 4 hour chart. Let's see what we have on the 3 hour chart. Here it may be a lot more. Let's see what we have. Okay, the range is between 12.35 and 7.9. Yeah, it's also, yeah, almost got to the bottom of the grid as well on this 3 hour chart, and it's in between okay 9.54, so it's also right in the support zone as well. So 9.01 is something that can happen as well. Yeah, let's quickly have a look at the 1 hour chart. Okay, here you can see, because it's the interval one, is it's this prints every 1 hour, so it has already started to contract a lot. You can see how narrow this one is compared to those other ones on the 4 hour chart. Yeah, the market grid on the 4 hour chart. But interestingly enough, the range is a lot narrower. But oh yeah, what am I talking about? It's not a lot narrower. Nothing. It's just very narrow between the spread is between the spread between the top and the bottom is only 2.24. Yeah, so, and it's currently at 9.55, right in there. So what we can clearly see is that on all these hourly charts, it is confirmed that it is right in the support zones, and then the probability of it printing lower prices is there. It's there. Okay, yeah, that's what's going on. The stock's been trending for some, well, was trending at some point, Yeah, so yeah, let's see how things go. Let's see if it's gonna bounce in the yeah by Monday the 13th. Let's see what's gonna happen then. I really doubt if it's gonna do so. Yeah, but even though it has printed two straight session of losses, the chance that it will bounce anytime soon may or may not. Some might some want it to cool off a lot more. Yeah, some might want it to cool off a lot more for them to be comfortable to jump in on the stock. Yeah, so have a look and see what you make of BTQ, and thank you very much for watching this video.